Okay guys, today we are starting surface area. We are done with linear functions, so we are moving on to our next unit. So the first part of surface area we're going to talk about is called lateral surface area. So lateral surface area is a measure of only the label or sides of a figure. It does not include the area of the bases. So when we talk about bases, we're talking about the top and the bottom of the rectangular prism. Our formula is LA, so lateral area, equals PH, which is the product of the perimeter of the base. So perimeter of the base is letter P, and the height of the prism, which is letter H. So using the figures below, plug in the dimensions of the formula to calculate the typo there. This should say lateral, not total. We're going to find the lateral surface area. So number one, when we are working on surface area, you're always going to want at least two highlighters. You're going to highlight the base of the rectangular prism in one color. So here my base for a rectangular prism is the side it's always sitting on. So my base is the 6x4 rectangle that's on the bottom of the rectangular prism. So to find the perimeter of the base, remember this side is 6 and this side is 4, we're going to do 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. The perimeter of my base is 20 feet. The height of the prism is the distance between the top and the bottom. So the height is what connects the two bases. So here, the height of my prism is 5 feet. So to find the lateral surface area, we're going to use our formula. So the perimeter of the base we said was 20, and the height of the base we said was 5. So 20 times 5 is 100, and then because this is area, it's going to be feet squared. Let's try another example. So number 2, start by highlighting your base. The perimeter of the base, one of our sides is 4, so 2 times 4, and the other side is 3, so plus 2 times 3. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, add those together you get 14. Next, highlight the height of the prism. So again, that's the distance between the two bases. So my height here is 10 centimeters, nothing to calculate. And then we plug it into our formula. P times H. We've calculated P, it's right here. Perimeter of my base is 14. And the height of the prism, H, we said was 10. So 14 times 10 is 140, and then centimeters squared because we're talking about area. Okay, so go ahead and glue these into your ISN. This will be page 2 of the 4th 6 weeks. Make sure you're keeping that up to date because it is a minor grade, and we will see you tomorrow.